Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's your boy Broadway J here with Kickz and Beatz, the channel. Once again, I'm here with another random shoe for you guys. It's not going to be an on-foot review because it's size 7.5. I wear 10.5. That's my true size. So this is just going to be a regular review. Going to show you how it looks up close and personal. Get some good angles for you guys. So let's take a look.
That's the garbage truck, Daddy. That's the garbage truck.
Is it? All right, we're going to take a look and open this box right here. Let's get it. You want to see what's in here?
Yeah.
All right. These shoes are purple. Do you like purple?
Yeah.
Hey, buddy, what do you think? Is this a cop?
Yeah.
Yeah? I think so, too. What do you guys think? Cop or drop? Let me know your thoughts below in the comment section.